Hello everyone. Welcome to the class on terminologies in pharmacology. So in this session, let us learn about important terminologies under pharmacology. So coming to the specific learning objectives, at the end of this class, students shall be able to define various terminologies in pharmacology and as well as define various branches of pharmacology. So coming to the some of the important terminologies in pharmacology, so you need to know about what is pharmacology, what do you understand by drug, what do you understand by pharmacy, experimental pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, molecular medicine, molecular pharmacology, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, pharmacognosy, pharmacotherapeutics. What do you mean by poison? So how do you define toxicology, pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacoeconomics, pharmacovigilance, and pharmacogenetics? So let us see the individual definitions. So coming to the pharmacology is a science that will deal with the study of drugs and their actions on living organisms. So here the action means it is the action on, it can be on animals or on the humans. So action can be of two types, beneficial or harmful. So this pharmacology has taken from two words. Pharmakon means an active principle, that is drug, and logos means a discourse or treatise. So coming to the drug, so it is derived from French word drogue, which means dry herb. So most of the drugs were derived from drying plants as well as from the animal parts in the earlier days. So drug by definition, it is the any chemical substance which is used for prevention, treatment as or diagnosis of a disease. So according to WHO 1916, so drug is defined as a any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological state for the benefit of the recipient. So coming to the pharmacy is defined as art of preparing, compounding and dispensing drugs. So it also deals with the medication which are suitable for easy, effective and palatable administration in the treatment of a disease. So coming to the experimental pharmacology, it deals with the study of drugs on animals. That means to say it is the research which will be conducted on animals using drugs. So coming to the clinical pharmacology, it is the scientific study of drugs in human beings. So it can be of clinical trials or clinical studies for new drug development. It also involves identification, reporting of adverse drug reactions, and also it involves the rational use as well as the essential drug concept. So coming to the clinical pharmacy, which mainly deals with the patient care with a particular emphasis on the drug therapy. So it means to say it is of patient oriented pharmacy where there will be dispensing of required drug to the patient. Along with that, there will be a advice which will be given to the patient on the proper use of all the drugs which has been prescribed. So it will be applicable for both prescribed as well as the over the counter drugs. So coming to the molecular pharmacology, which deals with the study of action of drugs at molecular level. So what do you understand by pharmacodynamics? So it is study of action of drugs on the body. So in simple word, it means to say what the drug does to the body. Whereas pharmacokinetics is the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, that is ADME of drugs. So it means to say what the body does to the drug. So what do you understand by pharmacognosy? It is the study of identification of source and physical properties of natural medicinal substances. That means to say drugs which are obtained from the plant. So coming to the pharmacotherapeutics, which is a branch of medicine which is mainly concerned with the cure of diseases or to relieve of symptoms using drugs. So it means to say it is the use of drugs in clinical practice. It is also called as drug therapy or pharmacotherapy. So coming to the definition of poison, poison is a substance which when absorbed or ingested into the body that will alter the physiology to a mild or to a critical extent by damaging the body cells or tissues. So whereas a toxicology is defined as it is a science of poison dealing with their detection, measurement and management of poisons. So coming to the pharmaceutics, which mainly deals in techniques of calculation, preparation and dispensing require dosage forms. Whereas pharmaceutical chemistry, it mainly deals with the application of both organic and inorganic chemistry to pharmaceutic and relation of these principles to drug use. So coming to the pharmacoeconomics, which mainly involves or deals with the cost of drug therapy, purchasing, dispensing, storage, administration, other tests which will be used to monitor client responses, losses from expiration. It also includes the length of illness as well as hospitalization. So it mainly deals with the cost inquired towards the drug therapy which will be used for particular illness. So coming to the pharmacovigilance, which mainly involves with the adverse drug event monitoring, detection, reporting, as well as remedial measures. So it basically deals with it is the science or the art which deals with the DAUP, that is detection, assessing, understanding, and prevention of adverse drug reactions. So coming to the pharmacogenetics, so it is the change in the drug metabolism due to genetic variation. So in the individual, there can be genetic variation which may occur due to the expression of different various enzymes which are involved in the biotransformation process. So thereby the individuals will have different responses when compared to the normal individuals. So coming to the chemotherapy, it is defined as a branch of pharmacology which mainly deals with the control or it helps in killing microorganisms without affecting the host cells. So thank you.